This next video looks at how you interact with GCP. You learn about the Google tools and interfaces that allow you to manage and configure your GCP resources. There are 4 ways to interact with GCP: the Google Cloud Platform Console, the Cloud Shell and Cloud SDK, the Cloud Console mobile app, and REST-based APIs. Now, we're not going to focus very much on APIs in this specialization. Developers use them to build applications that allocate and manage GCP resources, but our present focus is on letting Kubernetes manage those resources for us. The GCP console is a web-based graphical user interface from where you manage your GCP resources. It allows you to execute common tasks using simple mouse clicks with no need to remember commands and avoiding typos. It also provides visibility into your GCP project and its resources. Now you can sign in to the GCP console from a web browser at console.cloud.google.com. All GCP services are accessible through the simple menu button in the top left-hand corner. You can pin frequently used services to this menu. You'll learn how to use the GCP console during an upcoming lab. Alternatively, you can download and install the Google Cloud SDK onto a computer of your choice. The Cloud SDK contains a set of command line tools for the Google Cloud Platform. Most notably for us, it contains the gcloud and the kubectl commands, which we will use a lot of in this course. It also contains the gsutil and bq utilities. You can run these tools interactively or in your automated scripts. The Cloud SDK contains client libraries for various programming languages too. But what if it isn't convenient to install the Cloud SDK on the machine that you're working with? Cloud Shell provides command line access to your cloud resources directly from within your web browser. Using Cloud Shell, you can manage your projects and resources easily without having to install the Cloud SDK or other tools locally. The Cloud SDK, gcloud, and kubectl command line tools and other utilities are always available, up to date, and fully authenticated. So how does Cloud Shell do that? It's built using a compute engine virtual machine instance that you're not built for. Each GCP user has one. Your Cloud Shell virtual machine is ephemeral, which means it'll be stopped whenever you stop using it interactively, and it'll be restarted for you every time you re-enter Cloud Shell. So you wouldn't want to run a production web server in your Cloud Shell, for example. You'll also get 5 GB of persistent disk storage that is reattached for you every time a new Cloud Shell session is started. It also provides a web preview functionality and built-in authorization process for access to GCP console projects and resources, including your GKE resources. The Cloud Shell Code Editor is a tool for editing files inside of your Cloud Shell environment in real time within your web browser. At the time I'm recording this video, the Cloud Shell Code Editor is still in beta. You can also use text editors from within the Cloud Shell command prompt. This tool is extremely convenient when working with code-first applications or container-based workloads, because you can easily edit files without the need to download and upload changes. But is the easy way always the best way? Of course not. Later on in this specialization, we'll talk about the best management practices for these code files. Here's a screenshot of the GCP console's GKE area, showing you its web-based interface for administering your GKE resources. The bottom third of the screenshot is your Cloud Shell in operation, where you can launch commands to administer those resources as well. Some of those commands are from the Google Cloud SDK, and others will be specific to your workload. Later in this course, we'll learn about the kubectl command, and you can see it being launched from Cloud Shell here. Finally, there's the Cloud Console mobile app, available for iOS and Android. It offers many capabilities, like managing virtual machines and viewing their logs, getting up-to-date billing information for your projects, getting billing alerts for projects that are going over budget, and setting up customizable graphs, showing key metrics such as CPU usage, network usage, requests per second, and any server errors. We'll not use it in this course, but it's a resource you might find convenient, and of course, it's at no additional charge.